New at 11, this building has been a hot topic in the city of Hilliard for several months now. It's supposed to be turned into a multi-purpose facility by the Noor Islamic Center. But last November, the city denied a zoning change because of disagreements over how the building would be used. Now, as 10 TV's Carly Dion explains tonight, a federal lawsuit has been filed.
The City of Hilliard now facing this 128-page lawsuit claiming discrimination against the Islamic Worship Center.
Honestly, it's the most egregious example of overt discrimination in land use that I've seen in my over 25 years of practice.
Attorney Joe Miller says legal action is now their last resort after the City of Hilliard turned down the Noor Islamic Center's plan to turn a vacant office building into a multi-use center.
If the city would have sat down and worked with the mosque and its members, none of this would have been necessary.
The 11-count federal lawsuit filed Monday morning against the city, its council members, and city manager alleges they collectively violated federal law, private property rights, and rights to religious expression. Hilliard City Council member Les Carrier says the situation they now face is sad.
But that building could sit there another 10 years empty, and that's just a tragedy.
Carrier was in favor of the proposed mixed-use plan for the building.
Prayer, weddings, celebrations, catering, they had all kinds of things in there. It just wasn't what the city wanted.
He says the city has a different vision for the space.
They want that old traditional box, Class A office space.
Hilliard City Manager Michelle Crandall said she's unable to comment on pending litigation. But according to a statement released by the city last fall, the current permitted use of the property is for office space. The city claims there's been significant misinformation spread concerning this proposal in the city's efforts to work with Noor, and efforts were made to accommodate their plans, including allowing school and event space that could be used for religious and non-religious activities. But Miller claims the city has not been willing to negotiate.
What the Noor Islamic Cultural Center has proposed conforms in every way to the City of Hilliard zoning code, and yet they were still denied and still don't have the free use of their private property.
Carrier adds he thinks they, as a city, could have done better.
We've got a multi-million-dollar lawsuit. We've got lawyers making money, and we've got a building that's just empty. I mean, what are we doing?
As for what's next, a case schedule will be set by a judge so proceedings can move forward. In Hilliard, Carly Dion, 10 TV News.